Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the poem, and the name of the poem is The Letter. Okay, so let's see what the poem is all about. So, here, children, as the name suggests, the letter. Now, you all have been writing the letter in the notebooks, but I don't know whether you have written a letter in reality and send it through post or not. I don't know. And most of us have forgotten how to uh, write a letter and then send it through post. Most of us don't do nowadays, and we usually use emails now. Okay, so here we will see how the poet writes a letter. Okay, the name of the poet is Margaret J. Rhodes. Okay, she says, I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. Okay, she says that now I am writing a letter to send by the post. As you can see in the picture, she's sitting and writing a letter, and she's going to send it by post. Okay, and she's writing it for the person she cares the most. Okay, I write the date clearly and put the address and begin, dearest mummy. Did anyone guess? Okay, I write the date clearly. When you send a letter, it goes through so many hands, So you have to write the date and address very carefully and clearly, so that no every it is visible to everyone, and whosoever reads it, and the person is able to read, and the letter is able to reach to the correct place and the correct address. Okay, and she says, and begin, dearest mummy. Did anyone guess? Okay, so this is about the mother she is talking about. So she is writing the letter to her mother. My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. Okay, my pen travels slowly. She says that my pen travels slowly because she wants to write very slowly in order to make her handwriting neat and clean. Okay, the sheet is very long, but even then she is writing very slowly because she wants to keep her letter very neat and clean. I carefully blotted to dry up the ink. Such nice blotting paper. The color is pink. Okay, she is using a blotting paper so that the ink dries up very quickly and easily. Okay, and the color of the paper is pink. Okay, now I turn the page over and on goes my pen till lastly come kisses. There's just room for 10. Now she says that I turn the page over and then goes my pen till lastly come kisses. Now she's been writing the letter continuously on the long sheet. She's sharing all her emotions and writing everything to her mother, whatever she wants to write. So there's not much space left now, and she says there are space left only for 10 kisses. Okay, so she says that there's just room for 10. Okay, now the envelope is ready. I put this stamp on. Now children, when you are posting a letter, you have to put a stamp on it. Okay, so here the envelope is ready. As you can see, the I put the stamp on and run to the post box. She runs to the post box, and now it has gone. It means that once she has done it with, now she will put the letter in the letter box or the post box. Okay, and the concerned person will collect from there, and then her mother will get the letter in the given time. Okay, so this poet is writing a letter to her mother, and she is writing a letter, not an email. She will send the letter through post box. Okay, so this is the way we write a letter. We write a letter to our near and dear ones, and we want to share our feelings, what we feel or think about them. Okay, so in the same way, whatever feelings the poet is having for her mother, she shares it in the letter. Okay, now children, here are the questions. You have to write the answers in the notebook where you have been doing your homework. Okay, now children, I have written the answers for you here. Kindly do it in your notebook. but only here question number 6 that you have to do on your own. Other I have done for you others. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is done by me. Question number 6 you are supposed to do on your own. Okay, kindly do the work in your notebook. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.